Hello guys, good evening. This evening we have finished this Portaner Mitsubishi floor stand. The problem of this, the ceiling lizard crawling at the board, which causes shortage of parts of this. That we found the problems, the rectifier of this chopper transformer, as well as the Zener diode and in the resistor. They are burnt. This one is burnt before, and this one, and this one. Now we are going to test if they really are going to click. See, now the relay is clicking. See guys, because it means this chopper transformer is working. Now we gonna off this. See, you can hear that the relay is clicking. Okay, now again relay is clicking. So guys, thank you very much of this. Be careful of installing of this, that you must have agreement to the customer that in case of the ceiling lizard crawling inside the outdoor board, it is not your liabilities to pay this one, because that's not our fault that the lizard came in. Okay guys, thank you very much for your watching this video. Until next video, thank you.